Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to delete all your data on the Pinterest account, or how to delete your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete the Pinterest account on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. Click on the unsaved option first, and then you just need to click on the profile option on the top. After clicking on the profile option, you just need to scroll down, or you just need to click on the account management option. After clicking on the account management option, you have the option called delete your data and accounts. Permanently delete your data and also everything associated with the account. Click on this. Now you have this option, delete your account. Closing your account means you won't be able to get the pins and all the boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. So this, if you just click on the continue option, so your Pinterest account will be deleted. This is how you just permanently delete your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.